myself and my co-mates, the entrepreneurs of Alpha Private Limited Company. I, Nirali Mehta, am the marketing head of our company. The management heads are Shauraraj Punathar and Varun Lodhia. The head of the creative department is Dharmik Soni. The technical department is headed by Rukhaya Kapasi. The research department is working under the control of Jay Kamdar and Meet Shah. The advertising department is taken care of by Somil Sanghvi. And lastly, the production department is working under Nishan Sakhya. Now let us turn the pages of history back to the year 1996, when the company, Alpha Private Limited, first came into existence. It was co-founded by a group of extraordinary visionaries with a combined investment of 10 millions, who we are proud to be their successors. Our company is prevailing and fortunately faring well in the markets of gadgets since 1996. Following a series of economic reforms post-1998, Alpha has begun to grow rapidly, and now we are a completely well-established firm with a high annual turnover. But as it is said, reaching at the peak of success is no big deal. But maintaining that position is far more difficult. Looking at the level of competition existing in the world of electronics of today, we have come up with an exclusively innovative product using the latest technology, which is far beyond the imagination of any ordinary mind. These are the business cards for the customers to get in contact with any of the head of the company they want. Now the company presents before you a walk-on generation product. So, I'll invite Meet Shah to provide further details about the product.
Tired of messing up with low battery problems? Tired of carrying your chargers everywhere and then finding plugs to put that in and charge your devices? Time to break free. As Superman and Spider-Man have taken the responsibility of protecting the earth, XCharge has taken the responsibility that no mobile devices using XCharge would go out of battery. XCharge is a special case for mobiles and your laptops. With an inbuilt charger which charges your laptops by the sound levels around you. Yes, it charges your laptops by the sound levels around you. XCharge is available for all the various models of mobiles and laptops as well as netbooks. That is a new generation charger. Anytime, anywhere. It is available at the starting price rupees 999 only. And please note that it is available at all leading mobile and stores. Now my friend Nishan Sakhya will continue.
I, the production head of Alpha Charge, will lead you. Our product XCharge is made up of piezoelectric material, barium niobate. Here is the functioning of our product. Our product XCharge was so designed as to have the merits. The merits of our product are as follows. High affordability. Our product XCharge can be afforded by all the mobile and the laptop users. It's easy to operate and comes with a 2-year handy warranty. It's environment friendly as it saves electricity. It's easy to carry as you can carry XCharge anywhere, be it in your purse or bag, etc. And it's a move-on charger. XCharge can be comfortably carried anywhere. It gets charged by itself wherever you are by absorbing the sound energy around you. It has dual use. It's a mobile holder as well as a charger. XCharge saves your time as you don't have to approach any of the places to plug in your mobile and charge. It's affordable. XCharge comes at a very affordable price, and it's also made from premium leather covers. Color that suits your style. XCharge is available in various colors, so buy one that suits your style.
Here I present you the marketing strategy for our new product XCharge. I will, as you see in the following pie chart. As you see in the following pie chart, our main feature are to target the product to the new generation who are always curious of buying the new equipment which can help them easing with their work and save their time. And more importantly, we have also targeted our product to the business class people who use their smartphones more frequently in their day-to-day life. So for them, buying our new product XCharge is a need. So we have targeted our product new XCharge to them, which possesses utmost utility to them. We have also targeted our product to the travel class people. Who travel more in the day-to-day life, and we have also targeted our product in the categories of others. Herein comes the people like housewives, salesmen, etc. So, but they have very less scope of there is very less scope of buying a new product in their category. So our plan is potentially successful in targeting the audience in well proportion and to achieve our marketing goals. Thank you.
We have adapted the 4 P's of the marketing strategy. Product. Our company brings to you the new amazing product called the XCharge. The XCharge is a special case for mobile phones and laptops with an inbuilt charger which charges your mobile laptops by itself. It is the first time that a product like XCharge has been introduced in the market. It can charge your mobile phone in just 30 minutes by the surrounding sound levels around you. By using the sound levels around you anytime, anywhere. Please. We launched our product XCharge on 1st January 2011 in Mumbai. On the same day, we launched our product in many other states which are Gujarat, Maharashtra, West Bengal and Delhi. After seeing its tremendous success in these states, the product was also launched in the rest of India in the following 2 months, which resulted in its incredible popularity. We have also collaborated our product with all leading companies of mobiles and laptops in the world, which enhances our product's popularity worldwide. Now I invite Dharmik Suni to
Hereby, I introduce you to the pricing strategy of our product XCharge. In order to establish the product well within the market, we have introduced the penetrating pricing policy, and we have introduced our product at a very affordable price of rupees 999 for mobile covers and rupees 1999 for laptop covers. We believe in providing our customers with the best quality of leather as well as the best technology which is available up to date. We also plan to reduce the price for mobile covers to rupees 699 and for laptop covers to rupees 1599 by the end of this year, which will boost the demand of our product within the market. As you can see, our product is completely pristine in this market. So as to popularize this product, we have collaborated with the leading mobile and laptop companies of the world, such as Nokia, Dell, Samsung, BlackBerry, Apple, etc. This has proven to be a great idea and has made our product popular worldwide. We have launched a humongous advertisement campaign ranging from all advertisement sectors, from newspapers to TV ads to radio jingles, as well as advertisements on social networking sites like Facebook and Twitter as well. We also have a website wherein our customers can have a detailed information of our product and can also order the X-Charge online, wherein we promise the delivery within just 2 days. We have also collaborated our product with the leading retailers in India such as Chroma, the mobile store, which has helped popularize the product nationwide. We have also stepped into the short messaging service, as some of you can see the SMS, wherein we popularize the product through SMSs as well. A flyer, we have also introduced flyers, wherein a flyer would be circulated in every local daily newspaper as well as with every purchase of the product. And herein you see the banner of our product as well as the brochure which you have. Henceforth I introduce my friend Saumil Sanghvi to present furthermore.
As we can conclude from the sales chart that in the starting of this year, January, our sales was about half of this. Our sales were about half of the other sales of the other companies. And month by month, from February, March, April, May, and June, at last in the June, our sales were about more than twice of the sales of the other competitors. One of the major and main source of advertising a product nationwide is to a television commercial. So we have a television commercial for our product X-Charge of laptop and as well as a cell phone. Our television commercials would be held 7 to 10 times a day in many news channels, sports channels. It would be a channel to channel and according to the TRPs of the particular channel. The first